Well, let's now see how we can use the colors in Matplotlib. Now in Matplotlib there are many colors, so we can use these colors in a very intuitive way so that we can put it in our plots. In our plots, we can put any color we want. Let's now see. Matplotlib has support for visualizing information with a wide array of colors and color maps. These tutorials cover the basics of how these color maps look, how you can create your own, and how you can customize color maps for your use case. Basic continuous color bar. The arguments to the color bar call are the scalar mappable, constructed using the norm and CMap arguments, the axis where the color bar should be drawn, and the color bar's orientation. Okay, let's now do this. First, we are creating the figure and the axis. pld.subplots. Let's give the figure size equals to 6,1. Now coming to the figure subplots. Figure.subplots. Adjust, and then it is bottom equals to 0.5. Okay, so we created the bottom, we created the size. Now let's just put the color. CMap equals to MPL, as we're using for Matplotlib, cm.cool. Now cool is a kind of color. You can use other color palettes too. Let me now use cool. There are many other color palettes. Here I should have used that MPL because I haven't imported it directly. Okay. Now it is figure.color bar. Then we are putting MPL.cm, and with that scalar mappable. Now scalar mappable is the thing we will use for that, for the color forming, for the color bar creation. And for scalar mappable, we have norm equals to norm, the norm we created earlier, and CMap equals to CMap. So this is mapping the color. Okay, this is mapping. This is this CMap, and this is this norm. They are mapping it. And now we have CX equals to X orientation. Let's give it horizontal. Let's give it horizontal. For the level, let's give it some units. Okay, let's give it some units. Okay, I guess this should work. This is the color we got, the whole color band.